Hello friends, today we will know what is the effect of export ban of Russian crude. So what is it? We have to see what is exactly banned, what are included. So it targets specific crude shipments tied to certain pipelines and sea exports. The policy defines that product categories, effective dates, and exceptions for humanitarian or pre-approved. Approved. So this reduces the legal channels for Russian crude to enter certain Western markets and strengthens enforcement around insurance and shipping services. So, what is the motive? Why impose an export ban by Russia? The reason are political leverage, limiting revenue streams, and applying pressure after diplomatic efforts failed. Economically, it is an instrument to reduce funds flowing into state coffers. Policy goals and economic outcomes can diverge. Sanctions can weaken states' revenue while also disrupting global supply and raising prices. So, immediate market effects or reactions will be volatility, price spike on uncertainty, shipping cost rise as vessels reroute, and refiners scramble to secure alternative grades. Traders will look for arbitrage opportunities and storage dynamics could buffer short term shocks. So, increased activity is expected in Atlantic and Asian benchmarks as flows adjust. Now, who are the benefiters and who are losers? Beneficiaries include other producers able to increase exports, like Middle East suppliers and US shale players. Losers include refiners dependent on Russian grades, shipping insurers that face elevated compliance risk, and consumers facing higher pump prices. Secondary effects hit commodity dependent and economies with and countries with tight fuel import budgets. How Russia will respond? Russia can redirect exports to friendly markets, offer discounts, or change trade routes. They may defend cooperation with buyers outside the sanctioning coalition. Long term resilience depends on how quickly alternative logistics and payment systems emerge. So, this will lead to long term higher prices or not. Now, the question arises it can. If the ban causes durable supply disruptions, price baseline shift upwards. But markets adjust, increased production elsewhere, demand side responses